What is meditation exactly? If you watch this video to the end, you will learn the definition of the word meditation and some examples of it. Also, at the very end, you'll learn about the secret to being successful in your meditation journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mike Vini with the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app team. We regularly share brand new videos and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity. The Relax and Be Emotionally Well app delivers guided meditations with a unique proprietary formula so that each one is inclusive, trauma sensitive, and uses transformational language to give you instant stress relief and deep relaxation. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There's a link in the description. Meditation is a practice or activity that involves training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. It's basically any technique used to achieve a state of mental clarity, relaxation, or inner peace. In fact, it's been practiced for centuries in various cultures and has gained popularity due to its many benefits. By the way, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so please be sure to comment below and let me know what you think. Let's break it down into even more simpler terms. When you meditate, you set aside time to sit quietly and focus your attention on a particular object, such as your breath, a mantra, or a specific sensation in your body. And the goal is to calm your mind, let go of distractions, and be fully present in the moment. It's like giving your mind a break and allowing it to recharge. So why do people meditate? Apart from the opportunity for relaxation, meditation offers a wide range of benefits. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration and focus, enhance self-awareness, and promote emotional well-being. In fact, regular meditation practice has also been linked to improved sleep, increased creativity, and a greater sense of overall happiness. So that's it. You now have a basic understanding of meditation. Before I finish, I want to share a secret to being successful in your meditation journey. And that secret is meditation is a personal practice, which means that every person will have their own unique experience with it, and there's no doing it perfectly, and no need to. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can have a positive impact on your well-being, so why not give it a try? For more information about the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app, please visit www.myrelax.app. Again, that's www.myrelax.app. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There is a link in the description. If you liked this video, please click that like button and be sure to subscribe and share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.